Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming power and basic state. Make sure your phone and the accessory have decent battery and Bluetooth is on. Once done, disable any other active Bluetooth links so channels are free and place the accessory into pairing mode. Next, toggle Bluetooth off and back on, wait 5 to 10 seconds to force a clean handshake. This simple reset often clears transient radio conflicts and cached state that cause repeated disconnects, so try it before moving to deeper fixes. Once the simple reset doesn't stick, forget the device in Bluetooth settings and pair from scratch to remove corrupted bond keys. Make sure both devices run current firmware or OS builds. Outdated drivers often mishandle reconnection logic. When repairing, position devices within 3 to 10 meters with clear line of sight and reduce interference sources like Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, or large metal objects. If you follow these steps, you address both software handshake and physical radio problems that commonly break stable connections. Finally, validate the repair by testing a sustained audio stream or file transfer for several minutes and watch for drops. If instability continues, reset network settings on your phone, but back up important data first, because that clears stubborn misconfigurations. If you still see disconnects, try pairing the accessory with another device to isolate whether the phone or the accessory is at fault. If the accessory fails with multiple hosts, firmware or hardware repair is likely needed. If only the phone fails, a deeper OS update or service reset is indicated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.